Hello and welcome. My name is Om Klim Hum Gam Namo and I am meditation and spiritual growth guide. In this course, Awaken Divine Wisdom with Hum Gam meditation, I will teach you a simple but powerful mantra meditation practice that helps you calm your mind, balance your emotions, and reconnect with your inner wisdom. Hum Gam meditation is designed to support your personal transformation in everyday life. Through chanting, meditation, and awareness practices, you will learn how to reduce mental noise, release limiting energies, and approach life with greater clarity and confidence. This course also introduces you to working with the supportive energies of Ganesha, known for removing obstacles, and Hayagriva, associated with wisdom and higher intelligence. The focus is not belief, but direct experience through regular practice. You don't need any previous meditation or mantra chanting experience. Everything is taught step by step in a grounded and practical way, so you can easily integrate these tools into your daily life. If you are looking for a meditation practice that supports both inner peace and real-life growth, this course is for you. I invite you to join me and begin your journey toward clarity, balance, and awakened wisdom. I look forward to guiding you inside the course. Thank you.